What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can export your MouldBot's or OpenClaw bot's memory if you want to switch to another device for hosting it. So let's get started. Now first off, just go ahead and open up the terminal on whichever device you are. So if you're on Windows, you can open the command prompt, but I'm hosting my OpenClaw bot on a Hostinger VPS, so I will just open my Hostinger terminal, as you can see right here. So next up, once you have your terminal opened on your device, you would just need to paste one simple command into it. So the command is this right here, and this will export all of your settings, memory and personality that your MouldBot, or as they rebranded again to OpenClaw, has. So let's go ahead and run this command. Then you will get this. So you would just need to copy this all to the command in a notepad. So just like this, and then you can save this notepad for later and import it into a new installation of OpenClawBot. So essentially guys, that's how you can export your memory from a previous installation of OpenClaw. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.